All right, you guys, we're going to do our last drawing here, which is the arch. Find that and open it. Change workspace, drawing from design, WPHSA, hit OK. You can see really small, change the scale. Let's go 1:1, twice as big. Looks good. Still plenty of room. Hit OK. Projected view, click there, go up, go to the side, go diagonal, check mark, escape, double click on the isometric, choose shaded, then close. We're going to do our center lines first. Center mark on the circle. Boom, there it is. Notice it just makes a little plus sign there. Um, we're going to do a center line up here from the hidden line to the other hidden line, showing the axis of this. And then over here, we could put a center line on this bottom edge, but it would look really awkward and it's tricky to draw. So we're going to leave that alone. So that's enough for center lines. Now we can start dimensioning. So what I would do first is dimension the box. Okay, so that's like the main thing going on is the box. So we'll do height. Oops, that didn't quite work. So if it ever does this to you, hit escape, D for dimension. We're going to use the corners here. So I click one corner, then the other, and I can put that in. There's my height. I'll do the width up here. I'm going to go corner to corner. And then I'll do depth over here. You should be able to click the left and right sides. There we go. And we got that. Okay, cool. So now we got the box shape done. Now it does have two rounded corners in here. So what I'm going to do is find a spot here. When you place this dimension on here, we don't really want the arrowhead for the radius to go through the other dimension. So what I'm going to do is kind of slope it down a little bit. So you can see I'm right below it. That's a little neater. Hit escape, double click your R. There's two of these fillets. So I'm going to put two capital X space in front of it and then hit enter. So that's looking pretty good. And the only other thing I needed to mention here is this circle in the bottom. Okay. So when you do something like a circle, like basically we cut something out of this piece, the easiest way to do this is you have to think about the size and location of the thing. So the size of this half circle is just the diameter or radius. So I'm going to hit D for dimension. I could click on that and it'll put a radius dimension. And I'm going to move it. You could move it down here or you could leave it up inside. I'm going to move it down here. I think that looks pretty good. And then the other thing we have to do is the location. And now, when we measured this, when we were actually drawing, we measured this little distance here. You could do that. That wouldn't be too bad. But the best way to locate any circular feature is to measure to the center. So we're going to use our dimension tool to do that. And you can just click the corner point here, boom, and then click the center point here. And then if you go down, it'll let you do a dimension. And so that's a proper dimension of this thing. We showed the radius of the arc, and then we showed where the center point is located, which is 1.19 from the edge. Okay, so everything on this drawing looks good. We dimensioned everything we needed. We got the box, we got the fillets, we got the half circle cutout. Hit save. Save that bad boy, and we're done with that. Now, there's one more video. Make sure you watch it because it's how you get the points. And I'm going to show you how to export these as PDFs that you can add to your assignment in Classroom. All right, good luck, have fun.